Hey subscribers, what's going on? This is the Flaming Profits YouTube channel. Welcome back to another brand new video. Before we get started, make sure you hit the subscribe button for amazing swing trading content like this or investing in the stock market in general. I make a lot of videos and also release a lot of helpful tips for beginner investors that will really help you out become more profitable in your stock market investments. You definitely don't want to miss out on these. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. That way you get notified every single time I post a new video to this YouTube channel. Alright, so as many of you know, I have started a swing trade position with Tesla. I've been in it for about 2 to 3 months now, and I bought it at a perfect time because this was going to be one of my swing trade positions. So when it comes down to swing trades, I make sure I buy at the perfect moment because I'm trying to get the largest increase in dollar value increase from the moment that I buy to the future. That way I can make the most profit as possible. So I'm sitting at around 13 shares in Tesla right now. This is actually not that many shares. I usually have sort of around 50 to 100 of each individual stock. But this stock has gone up so dramatically that I haven't had the time to buy enough shares at a decent price. So right now I'm up more than about $400 in this swing trade position. This is insane for only having 13 shares. So this is something that I have a strategy for to do, that I always do on my swing trade positions. I use Robinhood to do this, to do my swing trades. This is the best platform for me to do this because, as you see there, I buy one share at a time. This guarantees that I stay profitable because I'm not buying at different price points like just all at once. I make sure to buy one at a time as it slowly increments in value. This is the best way for you to guarantee profits in any swing trade position. I also perform a lot of technical analysis when it comes down to swing trading stocks. I look for value and good, cheap shares that I can buy from a solid company that I know has great potential to grow in the short term. So just how I started buying, I knew that this was the perfect swing trade position for me because of the technical analysis. As you see there, this has a line of resistance on the top and a line of support on the bottom. So every time it gets close to the line of resistance, it tends to go down once it hits that line. And on the line of support, every time it hits that, it tends to bounce on that line. So technical patterns don't necessarily have to repeat, but they tend to do that. So this doesn't guarantee that it's always going to do this, but it sort of stays close to that range because technical patterns tend to repeat themselves. And this is a lesson I learned from Ricky Gutierrez on YouTube. He's an amazing technical analysis trader that I watched for a long time. So a lot of the disciplines he has really stuck with me and has made me profitable ever since I stood the time to learn them. So you see those 3 circles? Those are whenever the stock tends to go up in value dramatically. It's usually right after a huge sell-off. And actually Tesla's earnings will be reported on the 24th of July. So the stock's gonna go either up massively or down massively. And I'm very comfortable either way. If it goes down, this is great news because I get to buy shares at a really cheap price for a great company. And if it goes up, I'm gonna sell my shares that single day because by then I'll probably be around $500 to $600 profit, and I would like to take the profit and invest it in another stock as well. So this is how I'm actively earning 10% return on my profits. I don't wait a whole year to gain 20% in 1 year. I take percentage returns little by little, which accumulate to more than 30% in a year or more. So yeah, that's my investing strategy, and clearly it works because I'm able to stay profitable. This is probably my 9th swing trade, so I have quite a bit of experience doing this, and I'm slowly growing my confidence. The only reason I'm not trading with more is because I don't feel as comfortable yet putting $10,000 in a stock, for example. Usually I stick to $5,000 or less, but in the future when I grow my confidence and put this into practice more, I should be able to profit a whole lot more than just $300 to $500. And I started very small, earning $10 here, $30 here, $50 here, until I gained my confidence. So slowly but surely, I'm sure I'll be able to rake in big profits later on in the future. So thank you all so much for watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button for amazing content like this. If you want to keep updated with my Tesla swing trade position, I'll tell you exactly where I sold and how much I made profit in the end. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you get notified. Like and subscribe. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.